Hi kids, welcome back to my channel KIDDY DEN Online Learning. In this video, I am going to show you how to write cursive letter P. Let us start with capital P. Start from the red line, touch the third line, go back, make a curve, capital P. Now let us start writing small p. Start from the blue line, slant line, one more slant line, go back on the same line, down curve, up curve. Let us practice once again. This is capital P. This is small p. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel KIDDY DEN Online Learning. Please do like, share and comment. Thank you.